my girl deliver this piece and watching Natalie and the other baddies vibing with it, that's what this is all about. From the block to the dream world. Thank y'all for riding with me. Thank y'all so much for watching and spending time in the dream world with me. Catch the tools I use in the description, and I'll see y'all in episode 7. Bye. If you want to see more content from Princess Artistries, don't forget to subscribe.